Good morning everyone. Happy Sunday. It's a family day today. Enjoy your day together with your family. I'm going to the... You see the sun? Very hot. The sun is in my back. It's very hot. I'm going to the bakery. I'm gonna buy bread. There. It's so hot. Very hot already. It's already 9 o'clock. We don't have bread in the house. That's why I need to go to the bakery to buy bread. Their bread there is a cheaper bread. 2 piece in 1 dirham. And it's very big. One bread you can... Only one bread you're already full because of the big bread. It's like a footlong bread. This is my doctor sunlight, but 9 o'clock is already high temperature. It's very hot, so I need to stay in the shadow. This is the mosque of the Imam.